I still remember the day black mold ruined my freshly painted bathroom ceiling. I bought a cheap vent fan, trusting the marketing, only to find it sounded like a jet engine and moved almost no air. The market is flooded with deceptive claims, confusing airflow ratings, and hidden noise issues, making it impossible to know what actually works. To save you the headache, I bought and tested the top models on the market. Today, I'm revealing the absolute best bathroom vent fans, including one game changer that completely eliminates humidity before it becomes a problem. 7. Tech Drive Bathroom Fan. When I first took this unit out of the box, the galvanized steel housing looked decent enough for the price point, and the white polymeric grille had a standard, inoffensive design that blends into most ceilings. The installation process was relatively straightforward, utilizing a standard setup that most DIYers could handle in a single afternoon without needing to crawl too far into the attic space. However, my real-world testing quickly revealed the harsh realities of buying at the absolute bottom of the price spectrum. While it advertises a 50 CFM airflow, in my testing bathroom, it struggled to clear the steam from a standard 10-minute hot shower. The mirror remained heavily fogged for far too long, and the condensation on the walls told me that the actual air exchange rate was severely lacking. It felt like it was moving closer to 30 CFM, making it completely inadequate for anything other than a tiny powder room without a shower or tub. The most frustrating aspect of the Tech Drive, though, is the noise. It is rated at 2.0 sones, which is already on the louder side for modern fans. But the acoustic reality is much worse. Once the motor gets up to speed, there is a distinct, persistent rattling sound that reverberates through the ceiling drywall. It lacks the smooth hum of higher quality motors, instead producing an aggressive, mechanical drone that makes a relaxing bath completely impossible. You find yourself wanting to turn the fan off just to get some peace, which entirely defeats the purpose of having ventilation in the first place. Ultimately, the build quality leaves a lot to be desired. 6. Omiko Bathroom Exhaust Fan. This unit is marketed heavily toward those looking for an easy retrofit installation, promising a quick upgrade for older, noisy fans without requiring you to cut new holes in your ceiling. Out of the box, it certainly looks a bit more modern than the Tech Drive, featuring a sleek, flat grille that sits flush against the drywall. The inclusion of a standard mounting bracket did make the initial securing process fairly painless, and sliding it into the existing joist space was exactly as advertised. When it comes to actual extraction power, the Omiko does perform marginally better than our number 7 spot. I noticed that it was able to tackle the steam from a warm shower a bit faster, eventually clearing the mirror after about 15 minutes of running post-shower. It definitely pulls air out of the room, and if you have a smaller bathroom, you will notice a reduction in overall humidity. The motor feels a bit more robust out of the box, and the initial startup sequence is relatively smooth without any jarring electrical clicks. Unfortunately, the Omiko falls short when it comes to long-term acoustic performance and structural integrity. After running this fan through several heavy-duty humidity cycles, a very noticeable and irritating harmonic vibration began to develop within the housing. Even though the manufacturer claims a quiet operation, the thin metal casing seems to warp ever so slightly under thermal changes, causing the motor assembly to vibrate against the chassis. Instead of white noise, you are left with a low-frequency hum that travels right through the floorboards to the rooms above. 5. Delta Breeze Signature Exhaust Bath Fan. This is where we start getting into the territory of truly modern, advanced ventilation technology. The very first thing I noticed when installing this unit was the integration of a brushless DC motor. Unlike the AC motors found in cheaper fans, this DC motor is designed to outlast standard fans by thousands of hours while consuming a fraction of the electricity. The build quality is immediately apparent. The galvanized steel body is rigid, and the internal components are meticulously secured to prevent any of the rattling issues I experienced with lower-tier models. The standout feature of this Delta Breeze model is its built-in humidity sensor and adjustable indicator. During my testing, this feature felt like living in the future. Instead of relying on a wall switch, the fan automatically kicks on the moment it detects a spike in moisture from the shower. You can adjust the humidity threshold behind the grille, allowing you to fine-tune exactly when the fan engages based on your specific climate. It worked flawlessly during my trials, aggressively pulling moisture out of the air before condensation could even form on the walls, and then automatically shutting off once the room returned to normal. Acoustically, the Delta Breeze signature is a breath of fresh air. Operating at under 0.3 sones, it is so quiet that I actually had to hold a piece of toilet paper up to the grill just to confirm it was running. The DC motor spins up gently and maintains a consistent, virtually silent draw that completely transforms the bathroom experience. You can easily have a conversation or listen to music without competing with a noisy motor, making it perfect for master suites where noise reduction is a top priority. 4. Brone Tone AE50110DC. Brone is practically synonymous with bathroom ventilation, and this specific model perfectly demonstrates why they remain a dominant force in the industry. The genius of this fan lies in its selectable CFM technology. Built directly into the unit is a small toggle switch that allows you to set the airflow to 50, 80, or 110 CFM. This was an absolute dream during testing because it completely eliminates the guesswork of buying a fan. Whether you're installing it in a small powder room or a sprawling master bath, this single unit can be calibrated to perfectly match your square footage. The installation process for the Brone Tone is arguably the best on the market for retrofits. Thanks to the EZ80 mounting technology, I was able to install this entire unit entirely from the room side, completely avoiding a miserable trip into a hot, dusty attic. The fan housing simply slides into the ceiling cutout and locks into place with an expanding bracket that grips the joist securely. The electrical connections and ducting can all be attached from below, saving an immense amount of time and frustration, making it the absolute best choice for a DIY weekend upgrade. In terms of performance, the DC motor inside this unit is incredibly resilient. During a simulated high humidity test, I set the fan to 110 CFM, and it cleared a densely fogged bathroom in less than 7 minutes. The suction is powerful and consistent, effortlessly dragging heavy, saturated air through the ductwork. Even when set to the maximum 110 CFM setting, the sound level remains astonishingly low at under 1.0 sone. 3. Homeworks 714801AX. I was initially skeptical of this unit, assuming the tech integration will be a gimmick that compromised its primary function as an exhaust fan. I couldn't have been more wrong. This fan features Alexa built directly into the unit, along with Bluetooth connectivity and a brilliant LED light. Installing it took a bit more wiring expertise because of the included high-tech wall switch, but once powered on, the capabilities of this machine are genuinely astounding. The audio experience is what truly sets this fan apart. The integrated Bluetooth speaker is surprisingly rich and clear. I tested it by playing music and podcasts while running the shower, and the sound easily cuts through the ambient noise of the water. With Alexa built in, you can use voice commands to change tracks, ask for the weather reports, or even turn the fan's LED lights on and off without ever touching a switch. It completely eliminates the need for a separate waterproof speaker on your bathroom counter, turning your shower into a fully connected, voice-controlled media experience. But beyond the impressive smart features, the Homeworks is a beast of a ventilation fan. Rated at a highly capable 110 CFM, it aggressively tackles heavy steam. During my stress test, the mirror barely had a chance to fog up before the fan pulled the moisture up and out of the room. The integrated LED light is also a fantastic addition, providing a bright, clean, daylight-style illumination that is perfect for shaving or applying makeup, completely replacing the need for a separate ceiling fixture. Operating at a modest 1.5 sones, it isn't the quietest fan on this list, but the slight white noise is easily masked by whatever music or audio you are streaming through the speakers. 2. Panasonic FV0511VH1. Panasonic is the undisputed king of bathroom ventilation, and this model brings something entirely different to the table: an integrated ceramic heater. If you live in a cold climate or simply hate stepping out of a hot shower into freezing bathroom air, this fan is a complete game changer. The build quality is industrial grade, featuring heavy gauge zinc galvanized steel and a rust-proof paint treatment that ensures this unit will outlast the house it's installed in. Testing the heating element on a chilly morning was a revelation. The 1,600-watt stainless steel sheathed heating element operates independently from the ventilation fan. Within 60 seconds of flipping the switch, a powerful blower pushes a beautiful, enveloping wave of hot air directly down into the bathroom. It acts like a space heater, but is safely recessed in the ceiling, eliminating the floor clutter and fire hazards associated with portable heaters. It completely transformed my freezing test bathroom into a cozy, spa-like environment in minutes. As an exhaust fan, it features Panasonic's brilliant Pick a Flow speed selector, letting you choose between 50, 80, or 110 CFM with the flip of a switch. True to its whisper name, the ventilation motor is devastatingly quiet. Panasonic uses a totally unclosed AC motor that has been dynamically balanced to eliminate virtually all vibration. Even when drawing maximum air, the fan operates at a shockingly low 0.6 zones. It pulls massive amounts of moisture out of the air while remaining quiet enough that you can still hear the gentle hum of the heater working alongside it. The primary thing to know about the Whisper Warm is that it requires a dedicated 20-amp electrical circuit to handle the massive draw of the 1,600-watt heater. 1. Panasonic FV1115VQ1. This is the fan I teased at the beginning of this video, the ultimate, uncompromising solution to any moisture problem. At the heart of this masterpiece is a revolutionary ECM motor featuring Panasonic's proprietary smart flow technology. This is the feature that separates it from every other fan in existence. When installed, standard fans lose massive amounts of airflow due to the static pressure created by long, twisting duct runs. The Whisper Ceiling DC actually senses this resistance and automatically increases its RPM to guarantee you get the exact CFM you selected, regardless of how complicated your ducting is. During my extreme moisture testing, this fan performed like a commercial-grade turbine. You can set it to 110, 130, or a massive 150 CFM, making it powerful enough to handle massive master bathrooms with multiple shower heads or large soaking tubs. When set to 150 CFM, it created a noticeable negative pressure in the room, instantly ripping dense clouds of steam out of the air before they could even reach the ceiling. Despite moving this astronomical volume of air, the aerodynamic wheel design and the DC motor keep the noise level to a ghostly 0.3 zones. It is practically magic how much air it moves in total silence. Installation is incredibly refined thanks to the FlexSed fast installation bracket. This articulating metal bracket can be installed from below the ceiling, allowing you to easily position the heavy fan housing without struggling to hold it up with one hand. The electrical compartment is spacious and logically laid out, and the 6-inch duct collar ensures that the massive volume of air flows smoothly without creating wind noise. Every single piece of this fan feels over-engineered, designed to provide flawless operation for decades.